Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is part 3 of my Let's Instyle videos. I have 3 different parts to show you all of the wonderful things that Let's Instyle sent me. Let's Instyle is a website that sells all types of beautiful jewelry and accessories, and the prices are absolutely rock bottom. I saw you coming up here, Blue. And I do have a discount code. It's LSMaryCat10 for 10% off. And Blue, oh goodness, he's sitting on things, knocking things over. So let me show you what I have in this video. And please go see the other 2 videos because I am going to do a giveaway at the end of this video. So these earrings I put on in the second video. And I do have some more earrings. Get these. I love leaves. Leaves are my favorite things. And these leaf earrings are $2.50. I'll put one in to show you. They are French hooks, which are my favorite. And when I put a French hook on, I just squeeze it so that it doesn't fall off. And here's the other one. And in this package, you get 3 sets for $2.50, y'all. So most things are packaged really nicely like this and make a great gift. So let's keep moving if I can, because Blue just came back up. Okay, Blue. Now I've got to put you down because he's sitting on, I have everything open right here and he's sitting down. Okay, next up we have this ring. This is a really fun ring. It has all of the chakra colors. And then this is how it goes. So this ring will fit many people because it is adjustable. You can squeeze it to fit you. So you've got that side and you've got the stones, and you can put it on different ways, whichever way you're more comfortable with. So there are the stones. And like I said, you can put this on in the front and you can move those beads around. You can just move those beads anywhere you want to. And that package had, he keeps coming back up and sitting on top of things. I think that had seven rings in here. See, this is just packaged like that. But what great, if you're having a party for your daughters, having a party and you have to make goodie bags, this was $2.12 for 7 rings. $2.12, y'all. I mean, where can you get that? You can't. It's incredible. It's really incredible. And then we have these beautiful earrings. I love this kind of set. This is a moon and a star. And these are $2.73, and it comes with 3 sets. Moon and star, and on a gold French hook. I love that. I love when an earring is different on each side. I think that's cool. You can even wear them in the same ear if you have a couple of holes, you know, whichever works for you. And then we have these bracelets, and this bracelet set came with 3 sets. The bracelets are $2.88 for the 3 sets. I don't know why I didn't open this. I have tried to open everything, but you know, with the cats always right up on me, it's hard to do it. Hard to remember. So there's a gold and a silver and a rose gold, and the gold has a heart. The silver has the heart with rhinestones, diamond rhinestones, and the rose gold has gold. So you can wear these individually, or, you know, one at a time, or wear them all together. You can, you know, like, you can share these, the packages, or share them with other people. If you just want one color, if you just like one color, you can keep all of the silver ones and give away the others. Now my wrists are big, y'all, and these do stretch a little bit. So I don't want you to gauge on my wrist. But look how pretty they look together. Very pretty, very pretty. And then we have these earrings. These are compass earrings, and there are 4 in this package. And these are $2.40 for 4. Now these are a post, and they have a nice back to the post, that nice plastic back. And they're just really pretty diamonds, you know, of course, rhinestones, and they're compasses. They're really snazzy. Very nice for an evening out with all the rhinestones on it. Beautiful. $2.40 for the set of 4. So, y'all, I have shown you, I think, 12 different packages altogether with between the 3 videos. And I'm going to do a giveaway. This giveaway is not sponsored by anyone. Let's Instyle sent these to me, free for review, and I have decided to do a giveaway. So they are not responsible for this. If you get something and it's damaged, they're not responsible. But thank you, Let's Instyle, for sending these to me so that I could do a giveaway. And how we're going to do it is we're just going to, I'm going to pick 1 or 2 winners, not sure yet, and then you can pick a couple of items that you'd like to have. How about we do 2 winners? You'll pick a couple of items that you want to have. And if you want to be entered in the giveaway, say heart. H-E-A-R-T. H-E-A-R-T. H-E-A-R-T, if I could spell it right. Say heart, and I'll put you into the giveaway. And I'll pick a winner, and that will run for 2 weeks from the date of this video. I'll have the dates below as to when this ends, okay? And thank you so much to Let's Instyle for all these beautiful pieces. I can't wait to put this little kitty on my winter coat. And y'all, this is an incredible value, incredible value. I do have a discount code for an additional 10% off your purchase. It's LSMaryCat10, and I'll have that all in the description. It may be in the title as well. And y'all, yeah, so go watch all 3 videos, see what you like, say the word, and you'll be entered. And then when if I pick your name and you win, you can tell me what you like, and we'll go from there, okay? So thank y'all so much for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.